Hey guys, so today we are back in the garden and we are going to be harvesting our habanero peppers and getting the plant ready for overwintering. Let's get going. We finally finished harvesting our habanero peppers. We brought them inside to wash and dry and then stored them in Ziploc bags to freeze and use later for things like sauces, salsas, jellies, and jams. Next, we headed back into the garden to prepare our habanero plant for overwintering. We trimmed back all the branches to just a few bare stems. Well, as you can see, we have a problem. My pot is not big enough for this root ball. So what I'm gonna do is
go to Lowe's,
put it back, go to Lowe's, get some pots, and come back. So we're just gonna put this guy right back here. Hang tight there, habanero plant. After retrieving the right size 2.5 gallon pot, I was now ready to transfer my habanero plant. I cleaned off the roots and sprayed it thoroughly with neem oil to prevent any bugs or disease. Then placed it in the pot with my soil mixture of organic potting soil and biotone starter. Then finish the process by placing a thick layer of mulch. So I got my habanero pepper plant ready for winter, and with pepper plants you want to make sure that you're keeping it protected from the harsh winter season. The frost can cause a lot of frost damage, and so what I did was I went through and I trimmed off all of the branches and only left just a few nodes, and it is now in pretty much just a sleep state, and once we get our last frost we'll be able to bring it back out and replant it. So now that I have my pepper plant all potted up, I can bring it indoors and place it near a south-facing window or use a small grow light for 2 to 3 hours a day. I will be watering my plant approximately 1 time a month, just because during this time it doesn't need that much water. All right guys, well that does it for our habanero pepper plant. He is now ready for the winter time and he will be enjoying those nicer indoor temperatures and avoiding that frost damage that can happen during the nighttime hours. I hope you enjoyed this one, and if you have any comments you want to leave in the comments below, we'd love to hear from you, and we hope that you will like and subscribe, and hope to see you again on the next one. Thanks, bye.